Hi, so today what we have here are a pair of headers off of a Ferrari 430. It's a somewhat common problem where they will crack internally and cause a little bit of extra noise, especially on startup, sometimes a little bit of a rough idle. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to cut them open and take a look at exactly what cracks on these things, and just a little FYI. Okay, here we are. Now we've cut along the entire insulator heat shielding on the outside. We're going to go ahead and take the cover off and see what the inside of the headers look like. Got some pre-catalyst in here, and look right there. We got a big old crack, and that is cylinder number 8. Like I said, kind of a common problem. We got to replace the headers in order to fix it. Thanks for watching.